Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, what the panel and GPU support, and the cable quality. Plug a known good HDMI 1, 4 or DisplayPort cable directly into the GPU output. Once done, open your OS display settings to view available resolutions. If 1920x1080 appears, set it as native and choose the highest refresh rate available. If it doesn't, proceed to driver and GPU configuration. This initial validation prevents wasted steps later and ensures you're changing the right system layer. You now force the system into native mode by aligning OS and GPU settings. Open the GPU control panel and either select the built-in 1920x1080 profile or create a custom resolution at exact 1920x1080 with desired refresh rate. Make sure scaling is set to integer or 100% in both GPU panel and OS display settings so pixels map 1:1. Once configured, apply and confirm with a sharp test image or UI grid to verify there's no blur from interpolation or You finish by validating and fixing common issues. Run a full-screen 1920x1080 video or grid test to ensure clarity. If text looks fuzzy, toggle GPU integer scaling or disable parap scaling in the OS. Should 1920x1080 be absent, switch ports or cables and retry, then recreate a custom resolution in the GPU tool with exact timing parameters. One key tip: reboot after driver changes and test with a different device to isolate whether the monitor or GPU is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.